If your team creates social content, Adobe Express makes it easy to design once and publish everywhere. Let's walk through how to create, resize, and schedule posts across multiple channels. From the homepage, choose a social template: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and many others to start from. Choose whichever format you use most. You can also start from a brand-approved template your team shared or choose one from the Express template library. Quick replace images or text with your message. Swap in your image using Replace. Upload your own photo or browse Adobe Stock's royalty-free library. Adjust the layout, add icons or shapes, and apply your brand kit so everything stays consistent. If you want the post to stand out, add simple animation, a text fade-in, a slide transition, or a moving graphic element. Animations are one of the quickest ways to make your social content more engaging. In fact, in Adobe Express, you can animate your entire design or individual elements. This is ideal when you're creating multiple sizes or formats. Open the animation panel to explore animate all styles like bloom, glide, type fade, and more. You can adjust the duration, direction, and array of other settings so the motion matches your brand tone and the platform you're posting to. And of course, you can adjust the timing directly on the timeline. A small animation goes a long way in helping your post catch attention in a fast-moving feed. Now, resize your content for all the platforms you need. Select Resize, choose formats like Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, or X, and Express automatically adapts your layout. If the image in your design doesn't fit the new size, like this one, use Gen Expand. Express uses commercially safe generative AI powered by Adobe Firefly to extend your background or fill in the edges, so your design fits perfectly without cropping or distortion. Make any quick adjustments you need: tighten the text, shift an element, or swap an image. In seconds, you've got channel-ready variations that still feel on brand. If you need to build a full campaign for different audiences, regions, or product lines, use Bulk Create. Upload a CSV file, which might look something like this. Then select and map each element to the columns, like descriptor and image in this example, and let Express generate all the variations instantly. Our descriptors are done, so now it's time for the image element. Upload your own images or access your brands or libraries, as well as photos and videos and more from Adobe Stock. In this case, I've got variations stored in a library, which I can access across. Let's use Bulk Create again to customize the back of this postcard using the very same CSV file. This is incredibly powerful, ideal for event series, product launches, seasonal campaigns, or anytime you need multiple approved visuals tailored to different groups, without recreating each version by hand. Now, what if we want to localize the design for our international partners? That's possible. Using Translate, I can instantly convert this postcard into multiple languages. I'll select the text fields I want translated, and then choose the languages to translate to. Spanish and German for this example. Express does the heavy lifting while keeping the layout, fonts, and brand colors intact. Express automatically adjusts text size and spacing so nothing breaks visually. This makes it easy to support multiple markets without creating separate design files. Ready to post this to social too? Great. Use the content scheduler to publish directly to your social channels. After I add my caption, I can publish this immediately or at a specific date and time that I choose. I can also set it as a draft and come back to it later. You can also download your designs individually in a variety of formats, depending on your design. You can also share your design with teammates for review without ever leaving Adobe Express. Whether you're managing a full campaign or posting a single update, Adobe Express gives you a fast, consistent way to create social content at scale across every channel your team uses.